Hello guys, my name is Aftab and in this video we are going to install and configure Apache in our Ubuntu machine and we will monitor using Prometheus. So I have already written the article. I will share the link in the description so you can use this and install the successfully Apache monitoring with Prometheus. So in the last video we have already set up Prometheus server using Grafana and in this video we are going to set up Apache. So this is article designed for Apache monitoring with Node Exporter. So what I need to do, we need to first install the Apache. So I'm going to use single machine. So I'm going to install Apache first. So I'm going to use sudo apt-get install apache 2-y to install the Apache. And after that we will configure Apache monitoring with Prometheus. So it's installed now. Let's check Apache is working or not. So just copy public IP and after that you need to check the Apache status. So it's working fine. Now let's move ahead on our steps. So we need to update is not required. We have already used this. Now we need to go temp directory to download the Apache node exporter. So just copy and paste. Then we need to use this curl command. Just copy and paste here. It will download the Apache node exporter. It's done. After that we need to extract this. So just use this command and after that we need to copy in /url local and bin. So we have copied that and after that we need to give the execution permission. So just execute this command and after that we are ready to check Apache exporter version. So we should get output just like this. So just paste here. Okay, so it's successfully we are getting the version and after that we need to create the systemd service for the Apache. So here we need to execute this command, but as I inform you that we are using same node for the demonstration of Apache. So this user is already added. If you're going to add this, so you will get this type of error already exist. So we can skip this, but if you are using in another server, so you need to execute these two commands to create the user and after that we need to create the systemd file using this command. Just copy and paste here, press I button for insert and after that you need to copy this entire thing and paste here and here we can see that it will work on 9117. If you want to change according to your requirement, so you can change it. Save and after that we have just created the new service, so we need to reload the daemon using this command and after that we need to start it and after that we need to enable it. Whenever your system goes down and up again, the system should this service should be auto start on the on boot. And here is the configuration in Prometheus. So what you need to do, you need to just copy and paste here. So there is a space. I will update in our article. So you need to go in the last, press I button and add the new configuration here. So this is a configuration. Job name is Apache Web Server. Target localhost. It is working on localhost. This is the port and alias server-apache. Just copy and paste here. Didn't copy it. Sorry. just copy again, just like this, and paste here. Okay, and after that we need to restart the Prometheus. So here is a command to restart the Prometheus to get new changes in Prometheus. Also we need to check the status, it is up and running or not. So Prometheus is up and running, this is good for us. And after that we need to go in our Grafana dashboard and use this dashboard ID to get the Apache matrix. Just click here, and here you need to select Prometheus, just click on import. So here we are getting predefined Apache dashboard. So we are not getting data right now because this we have just configured. So we are getting only one matrix, which is Apache sub. We are getting one. After a few seconds and few minutes, we are getting all the data in here. And also we can check the in Prometheus we are getting data or not. Just verify in Prometheus. We need to type here Apache. So we are getting all of these metrics. So we are getting one is up, and after some time we will get the data in here. Yeah, there is some data we are getting. So I hope you will like this video. If you want to get more videos related to DevOps and Linux, so you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.